incomplete dominance. So what do you mean by incomplete dominance? We saw the law of dominance, right? So what do we see under law of dominance? That is, under law of dominance, out of the two alleles, one allele will be the dominating, right? The other one will be the, in the case of heterozygous condition, the other one will be recessive. And if the recessive character is to be expressed, it has to be in the homozygous form. That is, both should be in the same, right? So, but in the case of incomplete dominance, what happened? It is the inheritance in which the offspring shows intermediate character between the two parental characteristics, right? So here, what happened in the case of Mendelian inheritance, if you take the tall and if it is crossed with the short, in the F1 generation, we'll get the heterozygous condition, which is a tall, similar to that of the parent, right? But in the case of incomplete dominance, it is the inheritance which shows the intermediate character between the two parental characteristics. So here, when we cross the red and the white, red with the white flower, what happens is we'll get the heterozygous type, but this heterozygous type is not of the red color, but this is of pink. Okay, the flowers obtained will be of pink. So here the example is the flower color in snapdragon. So that is also called dark flower or anti-rhinum species. So it is a well-known example for incomplete dominance. So the same type of inheritance as Mendel explained was not observed in all the plants. Okay, they also shows the intermediate characters. So what does this indicate? That is, this R is not completely dominant, but it shows the incomplete dominance. Because if it is completely dominant, if the capital R is present, it should be of red color. So it is not completely dominant over the small r. So when both the alleles are present, that is in the heterozygous form, it shows the pink color. And also another example is Mirabilis jalapa. That is also called the 4 o'clock plant. So these two are the example, and also it is observed in animals also. For example, in Andalusian fowls. In Andalusian fowls is an example for incomplete dominance. So here the feather color, for example, black, when it is crossed with white, it shows the F1 generation, it shows blue color. It is the feather color in Andalusian fowl. It shows blue color in the F1 generation. So here, in the case of snapdragon or the anti-rhinum species, it is one of the common example for the incomplete dominance. So a cross between homozygous red and white, it produces a pink flowered plant. Okay.